welcome to another Friday We Feast. On today's episode, we're going to do a little dessert. We've got the Mountain House Raspberry Crumble. It's got raspberry sauce topping with chocolate cookie crumbles. It's a 4-serving bag. It takes 316 milliliters of water and should be pretty tasty, hopefully. I've never tried this one and I'm excited to give it a try. So here we go. We are boiling, so shut her off. And there was an inner pouch that's got the raspberries in it, and we pour that into our larger sack and remove the cookie crumbs. And now we pour our water in. And mix it up good. It's hot. Seal her up. This meal only takes 5 minutes, so we'll put 5 minutes on the clock and we'll check back. Okay, it's been the 5 minutes. Now we need to open it up, give her a stir. She's all stirred up good, and add our chocolate cookie crumbs. And now we feast. Let's give her a try. I'm trying to get a bite with raspberry and cookie crumbs. Wow, that is really good. The raspberries hydrated really well. They taste really good. That's very good. It says this meal can be hot or cold, so you could let it cool down or eat it hot. Kind of tastes like a hot pie. Well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ring that bell. You get notifications when I release new videos. I wanted to thank everyone that's had loved ones lost, and have a great Memorial Day. Thank you.